Hello, this is Arnold. Today we are testing the 3 machines for Ghana clan. We are testing the corrugated sheet machine. We will teach you how to use the corrugated machine. Till you connect the power, it will show this page, and we put English. Then we set the order setting. Put 3 pieces. Then we go to operation monitor. Clear this. We start the hydraulic pump. Press the auto. Machine will running. Now it's cutting according to the size what we set. This is the third pieces. After finish, the machine will stop because it already finished the size what we setting. Okay, so now you see current order already finished. This all finished. So the machine stop. We will power off. So this is the standard roofing machine. How to use it? That's all. Okay, if you need any machine, please contact us. We are from SteelMaMa. Bye bye.